DIY with Pat, DIY with Pat, DIY with Pat, that's right, DIY with Pat, let's go, DIY with Pat, DIY with Pat,
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again, and in today's video I'm very excited to share with you a comprehensive tutorial on a specific hairstyle which is sew in, one of the popular styles. It has been there for a very long time. Even before I was born, this hair was around. Before the closure wasn't around, so people were using their natural hair to cover, right, to look more natural or more even. So I'm going to explain the details about this particular style, and we will take it step by step from the product I used and the hair type here I use. I use Afro kinky human hair. I love this hair because it gives a lot of natural hair when straightened out. So the product I use throughout to final touches, so sit back, okay, don't go anywhere. And one important thing, do not forget to subscribe to this channel because there's a lot that I'm going to explain in this particular channel. So before I start to show you everything, you make sure you braid your natural. Okay, first of all, the foundation, okay, foundation, which is you're braiding your natural hair down. If you cannot braid your natural hair down, find someone to do it for you. It's not a rocket science. You can easily find someone who knows how to braid your natural hair down for you. In case you are making tutorials of it or you are making videos to post, it's okay. Get someone to do it so you become perfect. And so the products I'm going to use over here, you could see a lot of products behind me, though I didn't really show them in details, but I'm going to be speaking about few of them. So yeah, watch it step by step so you could see the lines. Please pay attention to how I arrange the lines because the lines will help you be able to move the hair to the front, arrange them in the back and everything. So whilst I was editing this particular video, I was also going live. So that is why you see my mouth going up and down very fast. So as you can see, that is it. So the next one, hold on, let me check again. So as I was saying, you cannot braid your own hair down, get someone to do it for you. So don't forget to subscribe. Before I started doing braiding this hair, I made sure I shampoo my hair, condition it. I recommend starting with clean hair, so I wash my hair using specific shampoo. If you want me to show you, comment and I'll show you or send it to you directly. After washing, always make sure to follow up with deep conditioning to maintain moisturized hair. So leave out hold on, let me so let's talk about the leave out that I'm talking about. So you could pay attention to the front part of my hair. To the right side, you could see a tiny hair that I did not join with the extension, like the cornrows. And when you look at the left side, so there's okay, so now I have the cap on. You could see two lines, one going to the other side and one going to the other side. So those are the two lines I'm going to use as a leave out. So look here carefully. I use the brown cap because when you sew on a brown cap, it secures the hair in place. You know how the hair start moving, the hair start growing and your hair will loosen up a bit. The cornrows loosen up and become a bit loose. When you pinch it and pull it, you could like realize it's moving up and down. So that is the case over here. So let's continue. Let's go to the sewing of the hair because the video is going fast. Let me call it installation. I will now install my extension or start the sewing. So in addition, achieving the volume and length we have, I'm using 24 inches Afro kinky human hair. So as I attach them to the back, look at how I am pinching the middle or I'm pulling the needles through. Make sure everything you do, you are guiding it step by step with your hand, because those are the ones that will show you whether you are pinching yourself or you are not pinching yourself. So pay attention so much, and I will show you how to blend the extension with your natural hair seamlessly using specific product, tools, and everything. So pay attention to how, and I'm doing all of them, or the blending tips as well, how I'm going to line it up step by step to start looking like you grew everything from your head. So for me, when I'm getting my hair done, I always want my hair to look like everything is coming directly from my roots. That is how hair is supposed to be. That is why when wigs started popping up, I didn't really like it, because how you see how you people fix it, you see their lace. No, it's not cute. It's not cute. That is why I love this sewing thing so much. But unfortunately for me, I have a short hair. I have to, during the COVID, I have to cut my hair because it was stressing me out. So now I have natural always looking short until you straighten it out. So yeah, that is why I have short hair right now, but I'm going to work with it for you to see. So pay attention to how I am pulling the needles through and how I am arranging the hair on my head. So let's pay a little bit of attention to how I'm doing that. So you see how I pull it to create a knot. Look at this side very carefully. I'm creating a knot in every pull through I do, so that the back up to a month the hair will stay in place. Make sure you have the brown cap on. Make sure the cap is that brown wig cap is matching your skin tone, so that when it start growing, it will not start showing, or the hair will look like you have wig. How do I even describe it? It will look like it's coming from your root. So that is the plan, to make sure everything we are doing is coming from our roots. So over here, I was live also teaching people on how to do it here. They were so amazed when I was teaching it on live too. So if you want to watch some of my live, I will post this with Pat, okay, with Pat, the spelling WITH, then Pat, PATT, then DIY. So the first name is DIY with Pat. So search for my name, and yeah. All right, so let's continue the step by step as I'm teaching it how to arrange the hair in place till you get everything working out for you. All we want to do is to make sure everything we are doing is actually working out for us, and we are not doing something else. Okay, so the finishing, I don't know why I'm rushing it. You pay attention. I'll get there. I don't want to rush this particular video, so people can get everything I'm trying to explain to them, because when you rush it, it'll be your own problem. People will not come back to watch your video. There are some people that watch this video, they want details video to really understand what is going on. Some people just want to watch fast videos and move on to the next. So if you are the type that like watching videos into details, then this video is for you. Okay, step by step process on how to style your own hair. And this hair, let me tell you something. The reason why I like this particular hair, this is my third. I bought this hair 2022, and this is my third time using it for sewing or sewing. And it still look nice, it still look beautiful. All you need to do is to shampoo it and dry it. Make sure it dry nicely. Then you go ahead and pack it nicely. So in case you want to use it in the future, you can easily use it in the future. So let me know if you have any question. I have to be moving. You see how I'm pulling it? Everything will stay in place. I'm pulling it for you to see how strong it is, because it works magic. So over here, look at what I'm trying to do over here. I'm trying to create a knot and show you how the hair, everything is going, because I don't want to rush it. You know, I don't like to rush my tutorials. I want you to see the detail of everything I'm trying to do. So pay attention to always get your hair right. It's better to have, I always say this, it's better to have your hair looking like it's growing from your roots than having your lace showing. Like, I know a lot of people complain about, especially men, complain about, oh, girls, we see the lace, we do this, we do that, but that's not their job to tell us. We know. We also see the lace sometimes. You see, look at how I'm creating the knot over here. So as you can see, watch this part carefully, okay? Look at how I'm going to pinch the needle into the weave. Oh, I think this video needs to be forwarded a bit, because I was talking to people as I am going live as well. I was discussing people. There are people that share their opinion on how they cannot do their own hair, so I was taking my time to teach them and on how to go about it. So that is why you see me trying to move my lips a lot, but because it's a lot of explanation, I have to mute it as well. So watch this place carefully and see how I'm placing the hair, and don't forget to let me know if you also have questions on how to go about yours. If you have super straight hair that you can leave out a lot of hair,
all right, so
okay,
let me pull it here backwards.
My natural hair
over here. I need you to see the texture of the hair.
I have to do a lot of work straightening.
This is, as I said earlier, I mentioned this is my third time using this particular hair.
If you have a long,
so yeah, if you have any questions around it, let me know. Because and then check the placement of the hair. Make sure you see where I'm pinching it right now. I'm going to sew this hair all round to the top.
Do not do that. It doesn't always.
So you have to know how to
let's continue watching this video
and how to where to start sewing the hair from to give it that even look. I don't know if I'm getting it right. That's English. Don't come for me, please. I don't know. I love. So you have to know the hair placement. It has become one of my favorite styles, because my aim is to, the thing is, you have to have an aim of where you want the hair or how you want the hair to look like. Because if you don't aim at a certain type or certain style, you will end up. That is when whenever you are editing or recording a video, you have to have a script, step-by-step script to follow. But me, because I've been doing it, I'm a hairstylist myself. I don't need I need a script, but I'm not sure I really need it like that, because it's something I've been doing for 7 good years and it has stuck with me. So I don't really, unless I'm editing the video, then I prepare a little bit of script. But if you're a beginner, try to get a script. So you see how the hair is laying step by step to the back. So make sure you have a script on how to section your hair or how to arrange the pattern. If it's braiding, you have to know the pattern and everything to make sure your hair is looking super amazing. Okay, so I love, like, one thing about hair is you always look good. You always look good. Especially I live in China, and whenever I go to work, it's like people trying to look at my hair and say, oh, even Chinese with straight hair will be like, wow, your hair looks so good. How did you manage to style your hair like this? Some of them don't know, okay, and I don't blame them. They don't really know it's wig or it's your natural hair. Sometimes I go there with short braids, I still go there with long braids, but they cannot really tell the difference. That is something powerful about hair. They cannot tell the difference because they are not used to this kind of having different types of hair. They think, oh, you still have the same hair. It's just that sometimes you fold it up and sometimes you leave it loose. So I'm showing you something at the down over here. When I raised the hair, you could see that the lace or the brown wig cap is showing. So there is a way I'm going to cover it up, so pay attention, watch the video to the end to see every detail. This is a detailed video, so I don't want to rush it. Okay, I do not want to rush it because it's a detailed video. So thank you so much. If you just joined, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for others to also see this video. Okay, you have to be in a desert, or you have to be in a forest, get lost in a forest somewhere. Sorry, I'm not saying you should go get lost in any forest, but I'm trying to mean you have to be in a place where there is no human. You are lost in some island and be able to get your own hairstyle, and still, even though you are lost, you are nervous, you're like you're you're having a breakdown and everything, you still slaying. Okay, that is the aim about this particular. You can be on vacation and still slay your hair. That is something I need all of us to be doing and be able to start. Even in the midst of troubles, you should be able to look good, slay our hair, and keep things going, keep things moving. So thank you so much, everyone, as you're watching this video. So you see all the products I have behind me. I have glue spray, I have glue, like glue spray, super glue, the strong one and the light one. The yellow one at the corner there is the silver one is the light one. So when I think I stood up right now and you saw 4 gel lined up. Yes, that is another type of it. So thank you so much as you are watching. So this is the lace I'm going to use. This particular lace, when I bought it, it was 360. No, it wasn't frontal or 360. It was frontal. So I don't know, I got a wrong one, or I didn't get a high quality lace. So one day I was just styling the hair and everything went south. So it got torn. So what I did was, hairstylists, you always find a way to slay no matter what. So I divided it into 2 sessions, and I started using them half to give me. So it's not 4x4, it's bigger than 4x4. I think it's giving about 5x5. So have a look at it and see the size I'm using. So I just use the lace for the measurement to make sure where I'm placing it is going to fit perfectly. Then I continue my sewing. So if you have questions, don't forget to leave your questions. As I always say, when you are watching videos, don't forget to leave questions. If you want to know more, or you want me to go live on a specific topic, just leave a message and we will go live on a specific topic. So thank you so much as you do that, and I will appreciate. So this is the problem we have. If you are sewing and it's pulling, pushing, pulling, this is where we'll be delaying everything. I don't want the video to be long, but since this is the case, this is the case, so we have to take our time. I need to cut out that particular side and then continue editing my videos, because it will not. So keep watching. I'm just
matter, so get you right on your mission. That's the truth and no tripping. Have you looking fly? People vids, ask a question. She's your true lifestyle guide. Work you out.